Hello everyone! In this video, I will introduce you to two terms in Excel, nested function and enclosing functions. These are the next level of formula creation as you will be able to define functions inside another function to maximize the power of the formula. I will show you how this function works and how to create them. So let's get on it.
Let's start with the basics. A function is a predefined formula in Excel. This formula is formed by the equal sign, followed by the function name, and the arguments of the function between parentheses. Normally, those arguments will be either constants or cell references. Now, when we replace one of those arguments by another function, now we're nesting. The function defined as an argument of another function is called nested function. The parent function containing the nested function is called enclosing function. You can have up to 29 nested functions in an enclosing function. These type of functions will allow you to evaluate different ranges and criteria or redirect the action to be taken. Some of the most common enclosing functions include the function if, SUMIF, concat, and the most common nested functions are the logical functions. But you can nest basically any function. Let's see how they work with this example. On this spreadsheet, I have the scores of a DMV written test and a practice test score. To pass the written test exam, need 70 points and you get a learner permit. To pass the practice exam, need 80 points, but you get a license only if you pass both. We could evaluate each score separately, but the best way is using a nested function. We know in both cases the written exam need to pass, then that will be our primary evaluation. Select cell C2, equal sign, function if, open a parenthesis, select cell A2 greater than 70, comma, then instead of defining a true value for this if, we will add another function if, open a parenthesis, then select cell B2 greater than 80, comma, now we can define the true value for the nested if. Full license in double quotation marks, comma, and for the false value, learner's permit in double quotation mark. Close the parenthesis for the nested if, then comma, and fail in double quotation marks, close the parenthesis for the enclosing if, and enter. Let's copy the formula to the rest of the cells, and let's confirm our function work. For the first row, the written test is higher than 70, and the practice higher than 80, so it gets the full license. For the second row, both are lower, so it failed. And for the third row, the written test is higher and the practice test is lower, so it only gets a permit. So the formula is working. Let's work with a more elaborated example. In this spreadsheet, I have a helper tool to define discount for customer on sale transactions. The conditions are listed on column H. Less than 10 pieces, no discount, 10% discount if the quantity is 10 pieces or more, 5% additional discount if it is a corporate PO, and 2% additional discount if the items ordered are LG brand. Select cell E2, type equal, then the function if, and open a parenthesis. The first condition is minimum 10 pieces. Select cell D2 greater than or equal to 10, comma, then we will add a nested function if in the true value. Open a parenthesis. If the transaction type is corporate PO, then we will have additional discount. Select cell A2 equal to corporate PO in double quotation marks, comma, Then we will add another nested function if in the true value as well. Open a parenthesis. If the brand is LG, then there is an additional discount. Select cell C2 equal to LG in double quotation marks, comma. Then for the true value, we have three conditions that shall be true: equal or more than 10 pieces, corporate PO, and LG. Then we have a total of 17% discount. Type it in double quotation marks, comma. Then for the false value of this nested function, we only have the first two conditions true, so we don't have the 2%. Then the total discount is 15%. Type it in double quotation marks, close the parenthesis, then comma. For the false value of the nested function, we will add another nested if. Open a parenthesis, select cell C2 again, equal to LG in double quotation marks, comma. Then for the true value of this nested function, we have the first conditions shall be true, equal or more than 10 pieces. The second condition is not true, so no 5% discount. And the third condition shall be true as well, LG. Then the total discount is 12%. Type it in double quotation marks, comma. For the false value of this nested function, only the first condition shall be true, so only 10% discount. Type it in double quotation marks, close the parenthesis, and close another parenthesis. Then comma, and for the enclosing function false value, none of the conditions are true, so no discounts at all. Type none in double quotation marks, close the last parenthesis, and press enter. Let's confirm our formula is right. If all the conditions are true, the most we get is 17% discount, so that is correct. If I change the LG brand to a different brand, it changed to 15% discount. If I put back to LG and change the transaction type to online order, then changes to 12% discount. And if I change the brand again, it goes down to 10% discount. Finally, if the quantity is lower than 10 pieces, no discount at all, regardless of changing the transaction type or the brand. So, our formula is good.
I hope you find this video helpful to get you familiarized with Excel. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel to learn more about this application. I'll see you in the next video.